Hey YouTube! So we have this Samsung printer M2026. We have this flashing light here, and lately the prints have been a bit faded. So we move to the control panel. We go over to the Samsung printer and we go to printing preferences. It's down here, and push this printer status, and as we can see we only have 3% left. Just replace the old toner. I'm gonna just pull this thing up. Red light shows up here. Just gonna put this thing out. There's a handle here, and we will use a new toner, which is gonna be either original toner or a refilled one, just like this one. I suggest you get an original one because they are better quality, but on the other hand they're a bit pricier than this one. And as you can see here, there are some grooves here. I'm gonna use this part to go into these grooves, and of course we need to take out, and before we do that we need to take out the cap. So after we remove the cap, you can see the toner here. I'm gonna use the grooves. It goes right here in the grooves, as you can see. And just make a clicking sound. Put the cap back on. As you can see, there's a green light here, and there's no orange light flashing. You can hear that the printer is ready to print. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.